You'll know that.
Sue asks, does the wire in the door hinge break after use?
No, because the wire itself is not actually bending back and forth. I'll show you a close-up of it. What we've done is we've made a staple shape in one side of the wire, and then the other wire, it's looped around it. But so the wire itself is not what is the hinge. Like the wire is not bending in the hinge. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the hinge up close. So here's our hinge. So can you see how the door wire is actually looped around the hinge? Mm-hmm. And so it's not the wire itself that's bending, it's just sort of hanging there. If you look at this one up here, might be a, right?
Yes.
So no, I mean, I guess eventually that wire may wear out just from being rubbed, but man, you'd have to have a lot of time on your hands.
Show us on the close-up as well,
the catch.
Yeah, the catch.
Okay. So the catch is just, you remember that each of these sides had a wire out of the side there. And the frame side has a large bead.
Ooh,
and
maybe if you angle it just a little bit.
Yeah, whoa, whoa. Okay. So the frame side has a large bead here. There it is. And then I've just made a loop on the end there. And then the catch side is a small bead with a large bead. And so they